Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use a controller on Steam and fix that annoying fast sensitivity issue. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on it and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how Steam operates. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Controller. This section is specifically designed for managing all controller-related settings in Steam, from detection to input configuration. Now, if your controller isn't already connected to your PC, you'll need to click Add Controller. This opens up the connection interface where Steam can search for available devices. From here, you have two options for connecting your controller. You can either plug it in via USB for a direct, stable connection, or connect via Bluetooth if your controller supports wireless connectivity. In most cases, Steam will detect your controller automatically once it's connected, making the setup process seamless and quick. Next, navigate to the upper left corner again and click on Library. This takes you to your game collection where you can manage individual game settings. In the left panel, find the game you want to fix the fast sensitivity for. Right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu that appears. This opens up the specific configuration options for that particular game. In the Properties window, click on Controller in the left panel. Here you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select Enable Steam Input. This option is crucial because it allows Steam to take control of your controller inputs for this specific game, giving you access to advanced customization options that wouldn't otherwise be available. Although I don't have any connected controller right now, I will show you the next step. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on the Big Picture Mode icon located right beside your username. This launches Steam's console-style interface that's optimized for controller navigation and provides easier access to in-game controller settings. Once you're in big picture mode, locate and click on the game you want to fix the fast sensitivity for. In the right panel, click on the controller icon to access the controller configuration screen. Here, look for the setting labeled Right Joy Sensitivity and adjust the slider based on your preferences. Moving the slider to the left will reduce sensitivity, making your camera movements slower and more controlled, while moving it to the right increases sensitivity for faster, more responsive movements. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click on Menu in the bottom left corner, then select Power from the options that appear. Finally, click Exit Big Picture Mode to return to the standard Steam interface. And that's it! You've successfully configured your controller on Steam and fixed the fast sensitivity issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.